What are you doing? Come on!
Nice moves there, Clint Eastwood. You the new sheriff? Come riding in to clean up the town?
Wasn't my intent.
A dumbass. Glenn, you're welcome. I'm a glass half full kind of guy. Oh, great. He's an organ donor. Oh, this is bad. This is really bad. Whichever direction I go, I got you in both places to cover me. Afterwards, we'll all meet back here.
Hey, kid, what'd you do before all this?
Delivered pizzas? Why?
Fairburn Road, 2 miles down is our farm. You'll see the mailbox. Name's...
Thanks. It was really helping. Doing great. Living the dream. Says you. No. I wasn't. Women are acting really weird.
Take the blame. You know, for a smart guy, you're really stupid.
Okay, I'm confused because I think you just... Okay, I wanted to. In love, so she...
Good night and joy be...
Drew. No, Maggie, after everything that you've been through, okay, I'll go. Let go of her!
So what you gonna do now, Sheriff, huh?
Do all the talking you want. I'm done. I love you. He took Maggie to a man who terrorized her. Hey.
Carl was looking for you. Yes.
Yeah. Sure. Wait, was his name Herschel?
Brian. Piece of shit. Why would you want my piece of shit? Why would you want my help?
I don't want it. I need it. I have to find Maggie.
You guys...
Mainly because, sorry to tell you,
You were passed out. We were out of bullets. But I know. I wrote down every turn. I will get you back. I can, okay?
That's where she go to find me. That's where I'm gonna...
Tara told us what went down. There's zero chance you will ever find your wife again, alive or dead. Mainly because, sorry to tell you, she's gone.
When the people we...
sounded like a bomb.
Oh, it sounds like a damn war.
Right there.
Rick, we got out. It's over.
A stack of boxes and a mop, and I tripped.
At the undead pricks, forage for food, go to sleep at night.
Wait, hey! You stay and help us. And we... You talking about missiles?
All right, you and I go first. It isn't gonna happen.
You got a shitstorm behind door A and a storm of shit behind door B. If you're lucky, it's walkers or a shot-up truck.
Doing? Stop! Hey, let go of him! I'm not gonna let you do this.
Yes, you are.
Hey, you are done!
You are done! Do not! Do not!
We'd run right by. Make this work. Pantry. You guys seem to do pretty well.
Any new gigs?
Me too, man.
They're coming.
Shush. No.
They're here!
Needs.
I was scared. I don't belong.
Shut up.
I was scared. I was just scared.
Shut up.
I don't belong.
I didn't bring it in. The dead and the living. They'll find us. We have to do this.
Make sure you get back.
Look at me!
Hey, heads up! Shit. I said heads up.
Enid? Enid!
What happened is...
Go get her! Go get her! Over here! Over here, come on!
No, Glenn! Over here!
We're trying to build something. Me and her.
Hey, thanks again.
Come see me whenever. Just over here in the medical trailer, okay?
a million little pieces.
But he doesn't know what he's doing.
Man, I don't give a shit.
Daryl, we need to get back there and figure this out from home. Our home. We need you. And everyone back there needs us right now.
Daryl, man, I can't!
Maggie?
I should just put you